Today, our path takes us to the Golden Nugget in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Let's check in. Look at this view of the pool. Up the elevator. Welcome to our room. 1039. We have a hallway, which a nice large mirror opens up to a king room. Table little area with some chairs. You have a nice little couch with an ottoman. We have a view. Well, we have a balcony. We have a view of Lavarge, the top of the parking garage, but we have a view of Lake Charles. So we'll have to see what that looks like at night. But here is our room. We have these curtains, which open to the bathroom. We slide the door to the bathroom. And the bathroom has a tub, a nice 2-sink vanity. The toilet is in its own room. We have a large walk-in rain shower. All right. And as I said, it opens up to the room. What do you think of this room? Would you stay here? Watch my next video comparing Lake Charles Casino's Golden Nugget to Laverge. Safe travels.